It's Chef Debbie here at Deb's Kitchen Garden, and I'm with my Debette Sue, who's doing all the filming. And what we're going to do today is we're going to plant a couple of blueberries, and we're going to plant 4 different kinds of organic potatoes. So we're going to plant our blueberries in this bag. They do much better in containers than they do in the ground. So I put some acid planting mix in there. So this is a Misty Southern High Bush blueberry, and it's developed for Southern California. And you want to plant it at about the same height that it was in the container. You can stop it. Top this off with just bumper crop, which is like a super potting mix. Make sure you press down so that the plant is in there nice and firm. So today we're going to be planting seed potatoes. These are organic seed potatoes that I ordered through the mail. You don't want to use potatoes that you get from the grocery store, because even though they do sprout, they've been sprayed to resist sprouting. So you may get a few potatoes from them, but you won't get as many as if you used organic seed potatoes. Put some potatoes in there. So these are banana potatoes. And when you're planting potato seeds, what you want to do typically, this is a half of one. And I cut it in half so that both sides have a little bit of sprouts, and you want to plant those just like that. And you don't want to fill up the container with soil, because as a plant grows, you're going to be doing what's called hilling, and as they get leaves on them, you're going to be putting more soil on top of them, because the potatoes grow off of that. So they grow on top of each other. And you want to put the cut side down so that you have some eyes that are showing up. And we cover those with a little soil. And that's it until they sprout and they start growing, and then we'll come back in a week or two and add a little more soil to the top.